I am lucky enough to have a budgie that likes to eat vegetables, and he's been teaching my other older budgie to eat them too. And here's his little snack time. He really likes pieces of broccoli, and he has a little bit of rice with some turmeric in it, cooked in coconut oil, and I'm about to put some greens in there for him. You can watch what he does when I do that. It's pretty cute. Here, Cosmo, let's cut these up a little bit for you. Cut up a little bit. Okay, here, let's put your greens in there. There you go. Is that yummy? He really likes these little stems right here a lot. And try that. You got your mouth full of rice. There you go.